So you may not have known that you can actually add audiences to your Google search campaigns. This isn't typically one that's been said about too much. You can use it for other campaign types like Performance Max, but search campaigns can actually include audiences now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So on this demo account, we just want to select our search campaign here, and then under this column we go down to audiences, and then under this section here, which is where all your audiences will be stored, we want to go to add audience segments. So I'm just going to do it to the campaign level, but you can do it to the ad group level as well. So what we have here are two options. So we have observation and we also have targeting. So observation is here recommended, but you can also use targeting, which basically means so we can select audiences that are relevant to this campaign is emergency plumbers, that are relevant to plumbing services, plumbing fixtures, home improvements, home and garden. It is whatever you think would benefit your account and the sort of audiences that the people will be searching from. Okay, so under observation, when we add it and we click save, it adds it to this table here. And then under this table here, once we get some data through, we can actually create a bid adjustment. So what that means is if I am seeing plumbing fixtures getting a lot of conversions, filtered by conversions, getting a lot of conversions that are really good cost per conversion, I'm going to go to bid adjust it, and I'm going to increase the bid by 20% for this audience. Okay, and say for example home and garden, which is not relevant to plumbing, is not performing very well, we could either pause it here or we can decrease it by 10%, for example. So adding audiences in gives you some more flexibility to optimize your campaign to the perfect target audience. So let me just go back to it under edit audience segments and tell you about targeting. Targeting narrows the reach of your campaign down to these audiences only. So not only do these audiences, when we have targeting selected, the person that our ad is shown to have to be within one of these audiences, but they also have to have searched those keywords that we are bidding for in the campaign. So it is a good way of really narrowing down and also increasing the quality of your potential lead. Bearing in mind, when you narrow down your pool, you narrow down the amounts of lead you can get. So sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad. I've worked with clients in past where we use targeting because they are specific law firms who need to cater to a specific property or finance niche, and this works really well at increasing lead quality. But most of the time you just want to go under observation, because then you can decide maybe I will try out targeting in a specific ad group. Okay, so it's just a good way to further increase the quality of your campaign as it progresses. But yeah, that's it for audiences, and I will see you on the next one.